1. Apple. Crunchy and sweet. Apples keep you healthy every day. 2. Banana. Soft and full of energy. Monkeys love them. 3. Mango. Juicy and sweet. The king of fruit. 4. Orange. Round and full of vitamin C. So refreshing. 5. Watermelon. Big, juicy, and fun to eat in summer. 6. Strawberry. Tiny and sweet with little seeds outside. 7. Grapes. Purple, green, or red, all yummy and juicy. 8. Pineapple. Spiky outside, sweet inside, tropical and tasty. 9. Peach. Soft and fuzzy, so sweet to eat. 10. Cherry. 2 tiny red friends full of sweetness. 11. Kiwi. Brown outside, green inside, tangy taste. 12. Lemon. Sour but so good for lemonade. 13. Pomegranate. Full of tiny juicy seeds like gems. 14. Coconut. Hard shell, soft water, cool and tasty. 15. Plum. Purple fruit, sweet and soft. 16. Blueberry. Small, round, and full of flavor. 17. Guava. Green outside, pink inside, full of vitamins. 18. Papaya. Orange fruit that helps your tummy. 19. Pear. Sweet, juicy, and shaped like a bell. 20. Melon. Light and fresh. Perfect for summer. 21. Carrot. Orange and crunchy. Great for your eyes. 22. Tomato. Red and juicy. Grows in gardens. 23. Broccoli. Looks like a tiny green tree. Very healthy. 24. Potato. Grows underground. We make fries from it. 25. Onion. Smells strong, but adds taste to every dish. 26. Cucumber. Cool, green, and great in salads. 27. Corn. Golden and crunchy, popcorn's best friend. 28. Capsicum. Red, yellow, green, colorful, and yummy. 29. Eggplant. Purple and funny. Cooks into tasty meals. 30. Spinach. Green leaves that make you strong like Popeye. 31. Garlic. Smells strong but keeps you healthy. 32. Lettuce. Fresh and green, used in sandwiches. 33. Cauliflower. White veggie, full of nutrients. 34. Peas. Tiny green balls that pop with taste. 35. Pumpkin. Big and orange. Great for soups and pies. 36. Radish. Red and crunchy. Grows underground. 37. Beetroot. Purple veggie that makes pink juice. 38. Cabbage. round and leafy, good for salads. 39. Chili, hot and spicy, adds fire to food. 40. Great job! You learned all about fruits and vegetables. Yay!
Yay! You did a great job. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a fun learning video. See you next time, friends.